today with 2021 CHR. The Toyota CHR's fresh design make it stand out in the crowd, and the interior oozes with style. The CHR handles like a race car and has all the safety features you'd expect from a Toyota vehicle. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated mirrors, rear spoiler, brake assist, daytime running lights, wheel covers, FWD, four-wheel disc brakes, steel wheels, integrated turn signal mirrors, tires, front all season. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.